How long have you been learning Chinese? And are you satisfied with your progress? Well, let me share some cases of my students with you. One guy from the US learned Chinese for over 10 years and was able to read Chinese newspapers and novels, but he still couldn't speak Mandarin with a native. Another guy from the UK passed the HSK4 and said to me, "Hey Andy, to be honest, I'm still tone deaf. What can I do about it?" Another German traveled from Munich to my city in China just to have a lesson with me. He wanted to figure out the logic of the Chinese language because he's a German and could hardly stand anything illogical. Over the past 10 plus years with thousands of students from all over the world, I saw so much frustration in the eyes of my students and heard too many complaints on how hard learning Chinese was at the beginning. But the good thing was, I solved all their problems in the end. Do you have any questions in your Chinese learning, but they are left unanswered? Or with answers like, "That's the way in Chinese, don't ask why," or "just memorize the rules"? Do you like those answers? I guess you would say no. I've always been trying to give you my best answers to what, why, and how of the Chinese language to help you study Mandarin and have a better understanding of Chinese culture. And I guess you've heard of practice makes perfect. It's true, but the thing is how long it takes for you to practice. Your time and energy are limited, right? What if it takes too much time for you to practice and you can hardly achieve your goals? So it's more important for you to learn and practice effectively and efficiently. Then, how can you learn Chinese more effectively and faster? I do have my answers for you. Think about it. Most swimmers don't know how to teach swimming, and that's why you need a professional coach to guide you to learn better and faster. It's the same with learning Chinese. Would you like to learn Chinese with my original tips and tricks to improve your Chinese listening, speaking, reading, and writing effectively and fast? Click the link in the description below to support me to create more free content for everyone in the world to learn Chinese and have your exclusive perks. They are: the perk number 1, take a live group or private Chinese lessons with me to study Mandarin smart, not hard. No matter if you're learning Chinese by yourself or you've signed up for another Chinese course, you can ask Andy directly in the live Q&A on Chinese pronunciation, grammar, characters, HSK preparation, learning methodology, or any other questions. Please send me an email with your time zone to sign up for the live group or private lessons. The perk number 2, get access to the exclusive discount for our online Chinese courses. The perk number 3, get access to the exclusive videos, PDF and MP3 files of my YouTube videos and HSK standard course at your level, including textbooks and workbooks from HSK 1 to HSK 6. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you there.